welcome back to our channel. Today we will be reviewing a new product that I discovered. It's the Pond's Magic BB. So if you want to know more about this product and how it looks like on my face, since I'm gonna do a wear test, just keep on watching. Let's start by applying my favorite concealer, which is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. There. So just turn on the knob. I will not be using any other products aside from this powder that we will be reviewing today, which is the Pond's Magic Powder BB. There. The front part is written in Thailand because this product came from Thailand, and at the back it says it's a translucent powder. At the back it shows the information about this Pond's Magic Powder BB with all the ingredients and the manufacturer. At the bottom there's the manufacturing date, and then that's it. It says here that this is a translucent powder with smooth and fine BB for perfectly smooth skin to blur out the pores and black spots. Translucent, fine and smooth brightening powder for all skin types, mixed with physical sunscreen that is free from chemicals which may cause irritation to the skin. So since this has already sunscreen, let's try this out. It has a seal at the top. It's like a baby powder, but it has color. Let's see. This has a nice packaging. It's like a baby powder. And then you just twist the cap so you can open it, and then there. That's the product. So if you blend it in, it's very fine. The powder is so fine. It has a little bit of color, beige color, and it smells so good. I love it. So let's try this on my face. I'm not gonna be putting any other powder on my face, just the concealer underneath my eyes and some redness on my nose and my forehead a while ago. So we will be using a brush to apply this on my face. I'm just gonna pour a little amount on my palm. There. Very fine. It has very minimal coverage. Let's see how long it will last on my face since I am oily. So it's 1:51 in the afternoon. I'll be leaving right now. I'm going out because I'm gonna fetch my kids in school. It's very hot outside. It's very sunny. Let's see how long it will last, and hopefully it will really protect my skin from the sun since it claims to have sunscreen. So I'll update you later. I'll see you in a while. Hi guys, so this is how it looks like on natural light, and as you can see, it's very hot outside. It's very sunny. This is my skin condition before going out. It looks very natural. We'll see how long it will last. Guys, I'm back after an hour. So this is how it looks like on my face. It's still the same actually. It mattifies my skin. No oiliness. I don't feel that I'm oily. I am a bit sweaty, yes, but not oily. Let's see how it will look like until later. Hi guys, I'm back. Right now it's already 5:40 the afternoon, and I'm so sweaty. I just cooked dinner and also did the laundry. So yeah, I am sweaty right now. I don't think this is oil. So I'm just gonna wipe it with tissue. This is kitchen towel. Okay. I'm not gonna blot because I know this is wet. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, there's minimal transfer. I think this is from the concealer, but not the powder. And during the time that I'm wearing the powder, it smells Pond's. I think that's the trademark of Pond's. They have that very distinct smell. So yeah, I can smell it on my face all throughout the day. So even if I sweat, I can still smell it. So meaning the fragrance stayed on my face. The powder stayed a little bit, but of course, since I sweat, really, this is just a BB powder, so it may come off. I will be using this every day, especially if you will just go out maybe during the day. It has sunscreen and you can use it about 2 to 3 hours maybe, but I had this for more than 4 hours or 5 hours already. So yeah, it's a very good powder that you can use every day. But if you like more coverage, of course you need to use a foundation or a BB cream, and on top of that you can use face powder to mattify your face, or any loose powder or translucent powder to set it. But this one is a very good setting powder even without a base. So because I just use a concealer here under my eyes and then on my nose, the redness on my nose, and a little bit on my T-zone. But the rest of my face, I don't have any base. So it's good. It still adheres to the face. So I really recommend this product. If you already tried this product, please let me know. Comment down. By the way, this product retails for 94 pesos and I bought it in Pure Gold. You can also buy this in Watson's or any other supermarkets or department stores. This is also available. There you go. Thank you very much for watching. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe and share, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on our upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video. Have a nice day. Bye!